I had no idea how much people love tater tots. Hey you guys, Rosalynn Daniels here, and today I'm giving you another quick and easy done recipe. Tater Tot Cheeseburger Casserole. Yes, you heard right, it's going to be awesome. Now I've had a lot of Tater Tot Cheeseburger casseroles in my day, but I have to admit that I think mine is the best. The reason why is because not only do I use beef in my recipe, but I use pork sausage. I mean, that's that secret mixture that just brings so much flavor to whatever dish you're making. When you mix these two meats together, just be prepared for everybody to be in awe. Another thing that I love about my recipe is that I make a nice creamy cheese sauce by scratch, but it's so easy to make. It's only 3 ingredients and it really steps up this casserole. Be prepared to wow everyone with this Tater Tot Cheeseburger Casserole. It's another crowd pleaser and of course it's easy to make. What I love about this recipe is that it's really fun to dress up like your favorite cheeseburger. I love to add lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions, ketchup, mustard. I mean, you guys, it's so delicious and it's so fun to make. Now you have a delicious, fulfilling meal for your family to eat, and it took you no time at all. I call that winning. So make sure if you decide to make this recipe, please tag me. I'd love to see how it came out. You can tag me at Rosalynn Daniels, or you can use the hashtag #DoneVideo. Until next time, I'm Rosalynn Daniels from RosalynnDaniels.com.